Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back, and we officially got life in the spider farmer tent. But I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. One of the seeds didn't make it. So today I'm gonna show you how I get my environment dialed in so this lone survivor can turn into an absolute monster.
Yeah, it's THC rich, got the tips and the tricks. Plant game strong, watch the buds get thick. KC roots, yeah, I'm planting my claim. Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.
In the last video, we got the seeds in the dirt. One of the Blood Moon Gelatos popped, but the other one just didn't want to join the party. But one plant was all we needed. So I'm gonna show y'all the exact settings I'm using on this Spider Farmer Smart Controller to hit that VPD sweet spot. And if you guys are following this growth, make sure you subscribe. We're moving into the most important part of the growth phase right now. So here she is. Since we're only running one plant, we're gonna make sure her environment is as good as possible. And I got the SFG 1500 hanging in here. I love the bar style lights because the coverage is just unmatched. Right now I'm aiming for a par between 200 and 300 ppfd. You just want enough light to build that foundation. You don't want to blast them yet, just a nice steady glow. This is where that GGS controller comes in clutch, when I'm trying to set my environment. I'm aiming around 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 to 80% humidity. That puts my VPD around 0.8. That's like a spall day for a seedling. It lets the plant grow and breathe without any stress. I got my inline fan set as my security guard. So if the temp goes over 86 or that humidity crosses over 80%, the fan kicks on automatically to pull it all back down. I'm running a standalone humidifier set to 75%. Since I got that builder soil and the cover crop in there, the moisture builds up naturally to that 80% mark I'm looking for. And the last piece of the puzzle, I got this oscillating fan on level 1. I want to give it a gentle breeze to build that stem strength, but I don't want to give it wind burn at the same time. So I'm keeping it gentle, just making the leaves do a little dance. So I got the FSG 1500 at 2 to 300 par, ideally 0.8 VPD and some gentle airflow in there. I think I got it all dialed in now. Real quick, the first thing I'm noticing that I wish I did different, I wish I got the Spider Farmer humidifier so it can sync up with the GGS controller. Honestly, it's been a pain in the ass to get this other one to keep my humidity where I want it, so I might have to give that an upgrade. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how she reacts to the new settings, and we'll get her transplanted into that big 20-gallon pot. So that's it, y'all. Keep it simple. Let the plant do its thing. Until next time, smoke good, do better. Peace.